Oh, good morning, guys. It's a good day today, June 26, 2026. And I'm here in the backyard just to show you what I'm trying to do here. I started before 7 o'clock because it's cooler. Oh, hello, red hibiscus. Good morning. And then here comes the 4 yellow hibiscus. So beautiful. You guys are beautiful. All right, so I'm here in the backyard I started the lavender, but before that, let me show you here. So this is the way I'm watering these plants. This plant, just put the hose there, and then I water this already. I dig this, and then beside it, I dig this because I want to plant this. This is like a grass. This one, sorry, two. But I need to put the way I plant is I put cow manure and perlite and some soil. Right, guys. Right, so far this is what I accomplished. I only, if too many things to attend to the plants, what I do is I focus on one. So I focus first with this one. The two will be day by day. I just started this, so I put this wood stick. That's temporary because what I wanna put is this kind. I need to get it in the garage, so I trimmed the lower portion, but needs more trimming. The back side there is weeds and bougainvillea, which I need to do later. So this is my priority. So I trim all the dirty ones. So for the meantime, this is it. So like that, and then day by day I'll start on this. If I shape this one like this and fully done, this would be the next. Then afterwards I'll go and incorporate the back side and fix what to do with the bougainvillea. Do I need to trim it lower again? Do I need to pull it out? My goal is this one to grow and will cover this area. That's my goal. Same as the other one there. And this is two kinds of colors, different colors. And this one is growing more better and better. Oh no, it was eaten, the flower. Sorry. Beautiful. All right. Thank you much. Thank you much. I added this just to hold on to the bougainvillea. That's just temporary. All right, and this one, there's no sun yet. Later on at 9 o'clock. Oh, good morning. Too many flowers now, huh? And this one's so beautiful. I can't imagine they will grow. Yeah. So there's other seeds that I planted are growing now. So I have a new one, maybe 6 that from seedlings. I will continue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Alright guys, it's 10:30 now. I started early morning and I need to stop, though it's 80 degrees now. So this is the outcome. So this grass was planted there, another grass was planted there. They are the same, but this one I trimmed the tips. So And this calamunding, I redo the soil on the ground. I put more cow manure and perlite, and they are being eaten by aphids. That's why I need to always spray it early morning with neem oil to protect them. So over here, so I clean up here. I need to stop because the bees, look at the bees there. While I'm working, they keep buzzing on my ears. Yeah, okay, so I was able to take out all the leaves over there, the weeds here, and this is my second target, but this one still I need to clear more or do more. But for the meantime, she's out from the prison. So I let her relax like that. So I added, look at the bees. So I added this pole, and I need to add also on the two. So like I said, there is a bougainvillea here. Oh, there are two bougainvillea here, two kinds of this is one. I don't know where's the other one. So for now, I have this trellis, $15 in Walmart. I got 3. So one I use in the patio, and this one, it's just temporary until I can figure out what to do. So this one, oh, you need to be trimmed like that. So cannot be topiary anymore. It grows. This one, the second one is here, the second bougainvillea. Just need to trim this so it can be exposed. Don't bite me, I'm filming. They're mad on me. Okay, this is the third one. So alright, so soon this one will be planted there. Premiere. Alright, I showed you in the morning at 7 o'clock when the beginning of the video. This one is cool or gloomy earlier. Now look at that, it's sunny now. Oh hi, good morning, it's 10:30. Wake up, wake up. Sometimes you need to talk to the plants. Okay, so the other one is this one. This one, hello, red hibiscus. Did you say hi to yellow hibiscus? Okay. Alright. Let's check out one more time the rain gutter. This is the elephant bush that is on the corner here beside this lavender over here. So what I did is I took it out and I will plant this one. So later on it's gonna be like this. Alright guys, finally it was planted. Alright, so I'm just gonna push the soil on the side. Alright guys, after 3 hours working here, I'm done for now. So these are the grasses that I planted. This one, and I dig more deeper of this. This is calamunding or calamansi citrus, and I changed some of the soil to an amended soil, so they will they will feel better. So I need to trim. You know, the aphids, they love new growth of leaves, so make sure I spray neem oil constantly or regularly, consistency, early morning, so to avoid that bugs. So that's where the elephant bush was. That's just temporary. The roots is so thick. Look at the roots. I struggle pulling it. I wanna take it out. I will ask Josh. So for the meantime, this is it. Looks better, right? Let me go. Okay. So I put that stick. That's a metal stick that I've got in Daiso. Very cheap. So for the meantime, it's like that. And this finally, the bougainvillea got freedom from the weeds. So these are two bougainvillea. I just put this metal to hold them so I can work. I'm not fully done. They are the next to clear up, but I need to do this the next time. So once in a while, I will incorporate the the rain gutter in what I'm sharing and what I'm doing on the next lavender there. So there is the second bougainvillea, that one. I need to release them. All right, so here it is. Finally, it was planted. I'm done. It's almost 11 o'clock. I need to go. It's getting hot and it's their lunchtime. Look, they are here. So I just need to gather all my tools to wash and clean. That's it for now. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support and your love to the Garden of Praise.